Hi, I will show you how to visit real exhibitions from your desktop or laptop with an immersive 3D experience. The technology is powered by Wolters Cube. First, type onlineviewingroom.com into your browser. On the website, if you select the Exhibitions tab, you can browse through hundreds of real exhibitions. Clicking on a thumbnail will take you to the landing page of the show. Clicking the Visit Exhibition button will load the exhibition. When you enter for the first time, there will be a short tutorial on how to navigate in the 3D space. On a desktop, you can look around by pressing and holding the left side of your mouse, and on a laptop you just need to move your finger around the touchpad while pressing it. You can walk around in the space by using the arrows on your keyboard, or if you want to get to a specific point, just click there with the blue arrow. You can learn more about the artworks by moving the mouse above the artwork, and a little eye icon will appear. Click on it. If you're interested in the artwork, click on the Contact Gallery button to make a purchase or to get a quote. The gallery will reach out to you. If the exhibitor uploaded a guided tour for the show, you will see a guided tour button at the bottom of the page. You can get an automated tour if you click on it. You can take a picture of the exhibition with the built-in camera that you can save to post on social media.